Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making sure the device is ready. Plug into Wi-Fi and charge above 50% to avoid interruptions. Once done, back up your photos and app data so updates can't erase anything. Now open Settings, tap About Phone, then MIUI version. Use Check for updates to fetch the latest build. You do this because system updates can be large and require stable power and network. Starting here reduces risk and ensures downloads complete without errors. You tap Download and watch storage free space. Aim for at least 2 to 3 GB to avoid failed downloads. Once the package arrives, the phone will verify files automatically. Make sure you don't force close settings or reboot mid-process. After verification, tap Install and select the Install option shown. Standard install will reboot into recovery automatically. You follow these steps. Because verified files prevent corrupted installations, you let the phone reboot and complete optimizations, then walk through any setup prompts, signing into your My account and granting permissions as needed. If the device gets stuck or boots loop, force a recovery boot by holding volume up and power, and apply the update from SD or ADB as required. Make sure to clear system cache or restore your backup when apps misbehave, because leftover caches or incompatible app data can cause crashes after a major MIUI update.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.